Hello, my name is Peyton Petron. I'm a lead software engineer, and I'm going to be showing off what is called Taskboard. It's one of our new product integrations. It essentially shows various tasks that students or users need to complete. These can be provided by the university through a RESTful API, or the new feature that has been added is that students can also create their own tasks to track and complete. So I'll walk through the UI here and the different functionality. So we see these different tasks listed. If it is highlighted in red, that means it's actually overdue. So if I scroll down quickly, you can see the ones that have no due date or the ones that are in the future are highlighted in blue because they are not overdue. If I select a task, let's go here, I can see the details for that task. Tasks and have subtasks as well, so we call these parent tasks, and it has a number of subtasks associated with it. You can favorite these to keep track of them, and they will show up under the favorite section here. So you can see I just added that. You can mark them as completed or not. So if I mark that, if you mark the parent as complete, the subtasks are marked as complete as well. So you can keep track of these different tasks or goals that you wanted to have done. So if you're a user and you wanted to create your own, you would go up to the add task portion. Let me go over here. And you can create whatever task you see fit. So let's say homework problems 1 through 10 were assigned. Professor said that was due next Tuesday. I'm starting today. Course name, let's say this is for Calculus 1. You want to include the course code there, Math 171, and then you can add additional details, whatever you see fit here. So that's great. So you can add that parent task. You can also add a subtask as well with the same type of details. Due date, start date, and associated with a course. So let me add that. So I see my one new subtask here. Great. And now I want to actually add that. And we can go see my new task added here. And again, same type of functionality. I can mark it as complete. I can keep track of my subtasks. I can favorite it. And now I can edit this if I ever need to update it. Maybe I made a typo and it was actually problems 1 through 13, or the due date is moved. You can update all these fields and then resave it, so you're able to keep track of them. And that is Taskboard. Thank you.